Well, I ran power wire, remote wire where the fuse box is at over there, and then I hook up the speaker wire, which I'm using the red wire to the yellow, the black one to the black, which is the negative side, and the red one is going to be a negative side, positive side will be a yellow wire. Run all this to the back. Now for the power wire, you don't want to remove this 10mm, you want to remove the black one a little bit and make like a space, plug it in there and just tighten it back. And this holder, you're going to need an Allen wrench. Take a little bit of a notch right here using a plier or the crimper and push it up. Two ways to do this. You can order this. It's called AFF-1. You don't want 5 of them at a time. Micro 2, because this fuse is called Micro Fuse 2. You can plug it like so. That's number 25. It's ignition. No, that's not number 12. USB charger. It's 15 right there on that spot right there next to the 25, which is ignition. That when you turn the key on, your micro charger, your USB charger should come on. That's what charges your USB, your phone. So you want to remove one of this right there. It's number 10. It's a 10 amp. It's a number 2 right there on top of the 15, the washer. So take that spare out and put it right here. If not, you just tie the fuse on one side and you're good to go also. What I mean by that, this is how you tie it, and then you cut it off right here. That's how you do it, but that's not how I'm gonna do this one. So here's my remote wire. I tap it to this red wire right there, crimp it, and the wire's already ran to the amplifier already, and I'm gonna show you how I hook up the amp. So I ran power and remote back here, and then over here I ran the speaker wire I showed you earlier and ran it back over here to there, and then I sand the ground really good right there. Since it's only like an 800 watt amp, this is perfectly fine for the ground. Run the ground right here to this one, and then remote that we ran from the fuse right here, and then the power from the battery, and then this high-low converter right there. You got white, gray, and then white, black, and gray, black. White and gray, you want to hook it up to the red one, and then white, black, and gray, black to the black one right there, and then hook the jacks to the input of the amp, and then run the speaker wire to each speaker. Make sure it's got positive and negative right, and then that is all. Okay, this one right here, you want to turn the system on and you want to press setup, and then you want to click on sound. You want to go to system volume. You want to take speed dependence volume control off. You don't want automatic, because when you drive it's going to make some static noise. So that is all.